Hey guys, Chronic here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use permissions. Now, permissions is a very important thing when you're coming into plugins, because any plugin will have permissions for different use cases of that plugin. So for instance, with the Essentials plugin that I downloaded with one of the previous episodes of the Midnight Hosting tutorial series, I cannot use any of those commands. So I give game mode, none of that. And let's say I don't want to give any players op, which I mean that's you wouldn't normally want to do that anyway. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna download something called luck perms. It's a pretty cool thing. Now what you're gonna want to do is just Google luck perms, pretty simple, and go with the Spigot MC. This is a retake of a video because the newest update of this kind of just killed functionality. So we're going to download that. I've already downloaded it before, but we're going to do it again. And you're also going to get Vault. Vault Spigot. And that's all you got to do to find the plugin. Vault 1.7.3. Download that. Also another download that we have, but we're going to do it anyway. There we go. We're going to go back into here, File Manager, and Plugins. Then we're going to want to upload both of those files. Right, okay. So next, what we're going to want to do is restart the server. I will be back. Alright, I am back after our server has restarted. So now what we're going to want to do is join our server. Pretty simple, right? Now, after you're done that, hi, that sexy man right there. We're going to want to alt tab again. We're going to want to go to here, and we're going to want to type LP editor. So this is an editor session, which is a very cool and versatile thing to use. So one thing you're going to want to create is some groups. I've already created them, but I'm going to nuke them for this tutorial. Alright, so let's say you want some default people to have permissions. Like let's say you want them to be able to set a home, set home, and home. Two commands I don't have access to. So let's go here, and we're going to type in, well, first off, actually, we should look up the permissions, which would be, in our case, essentials x permissions. Perfect. So that's it right here. So we want to do home. So if we can see here, we see essentials home. Copy that. I'm going to go back to our editor, paste that in. We don't want the compass, be careful. So you want to click that. There we go. Then go out of here again. Home. Set home. Come on. Go. Home. Set home. And then let's say we want them to be able to delete a home. So delete right here. Copy. Paste that right in there. Nice and simple. That. Save. Copy that. And slap that into the console. What you'll notice is that, let me go here. I can now set a home. So let's run away. Let's say we're like a couple hundred blocks away and we're kind of lazy. We don't want to walk back. All we gotta do is type home. Perfect thing. Alright. Nice. So there's other things you can do with this. I'm gonna give you a short run through. You can create groups. So let's say you want a moderator to have different type of permissions to help moderate the server. So let's say mod, right? We're gonna give the parent to default. So what a parent is it will inherit all of the permissions of the previous role, or in this case the parent. We wanted to inherit all of default's commands. Set a wait. Wait is what trying to think of this off the top of my head. Weight is basically the precedence of the rank, or the so for instance, weight is going to be 2 for mod. Prefix, so we want a nice light blue. Mod, or yeah, let's just do mod, and then Control R to reset. That's it. We go in here, group created. Let's say we want to create an admin too. Group name admin. Parent, we're going to want to choose mod this time, because the admin is supposed to have all the commands that the mod has. We want to set this weight to 3, and this prefix, you can use color codes, which I'm going to be doing. Admin R to reset. That's it for that. So let's say I want mod to have teleport permissions. So go in here, we find teleport. So I don't have a player I can teleport to, so we're going to teleport to a position. So we're going to go back in here, we're going to go mod, type in essentials, TP, which is the base teleport command, pretty simple. Then we go TP position. Right, okay. Save that, apply, throw that in. After that, you're going to want to add yourself to that group, so you go users, I'm already a mod in here, so it will be group default at first, but what you're going to want to do is change that to the rank, in this case mod. Simple. Save. Going to be nothing to save, but do it anyway for the video. Go in here, type, notice that we have a nice little mod tag, and then I can do a teleport command. Oh boy, that squid needs some help. M.H.S 500 60 500. Oh, there we go. Okay, M.H.S teleport position, basically. Add that back in. I did a little oopsie. I'm gonna do that again. As dying. Okay, there we go. Nice. Teleported into the server, into a new area. Now, let's say want to have an admin permission. So like, let's say want admins to have God mode, for instance. And we'll go essentials.god. That in, save that. Now, as you see here, hold on, as a moderator, I can't just do /god. I won't have access to it. For doubly sake, go back into luck perms, exit out of that, my name, change this from group mod to group admin, save that, slap that bad boy in there. We'll now see that I am an admin, and in fact I can do God mode. Also, a cool thing, I can do anything. 0. What is 0? Okay. 100 y 60. Oh no. Turns out the ground is higher, so we're gonna go 70. Oh boy. Okay. Nice. And that concludes the basic tutorial on luck perms. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.